daughter is sitting there.
And your daughter, where's Jimmy Anna? This is my son. My son.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Madam Kuta. Forgive me.
Order in court.
Tell the court, how old is him? When him take him up in.
My comments and I say, Mintina man school, I mean to mean Cambro focusing. Michelle Nessie won't, Nami won't fear to Numana Medenium.
And yes, I know Obusa. Obusa say, Obana no one didn't fear saying, and I OD.
He chop how much before Jesus.
I used to know what the one about fan. Hey, now crowd or bear say, they're 22.
How 22 years.
My honor, I told you this case.
Why you do this?
Why me?
If you do, we fight here.
Objection.
We fight here.
Objection. I know your honorable court does not allow violence. Nobody can come and stand in front of me and flap their wings and come and tell me you will fight.
My honor, are you
what I hate is nonsense. What I hate. I heard you're here. I heard you're here.
Order.
Who is he?
It's okay.
He's a you know that this one you call it wings.
Objection, my lord. Objection, my lord.
Yes.
I want to warn this learned friend. But if he's try in the outside, I will use pepper spray.
Your Honor. Okay. Please.
I go. I don't want anybody to.
Just your questions.
Let me go.
Allow. Do not interrupt. Let him do the questions.
It's a frustration that I won't mind anybody. Your Honor, let him put to the court that this guy here, he was 22 years. When Jesus Christ take him and he take his life away from him.
Objection, Your Honor.
Why you allow people
He's interrupting my lawyer. Why are you interrupting?
Why? No, wait. You can't say...
Why for why? Why for why?
You're asking
Order!
Why for why?
Order! Why?
You can't say he took his life away. That means he killed him.
Fine. I'm sorry. When did he waste his time? He wastes his time. I don't want to waste time.
Jesus wasted his time.
He wastes this man's time. If you don't waste his time, like by this time, he have a book in the Bible. And these people call their children, Judas is coming. Somebody child is going. He said, Judas, hey, come here. But nobody call their children Judas. He don't have a name in heaven. Why? That's why he wastes his time. You know, I prove to the court why he wastes his time. Madam Tutor, tell the court. Every mother gives birth to a child. They want their child to be with them. They take care of them. Your child, he take care of you.
Why? Jesus here what you were by fan. Carry my son small picking 22 carry and go. Man, when you be in a quarter hour this one.
Your Honor, let him put to the court that every mother is playing in this world. That I give birth to a child, the child also grow and take care of me. But from nowhere, at the age of 22 years, Jesus Christ, he can't take him away.
Honestly.
Look at the woman. Right now, he's around 85 years. He never see the child. Until right now.
So,
Final.
What is your age?
Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor, he say he's around 70 years.
Beyond 70.
Why? Why you say nobody likes 70? You know some people here also loves old women.
I'm sorry.
Your man, I know your sugar.
Yes. Your Honor, I will have to agree with my learned colleague here.
We know you.
You cannot say nobody likes 70. For all you know, I might like her. You never know.
It's all there.
It's a hypothetical situation.
Yeah.
The animal coffee and then I cast on. What time? What time and then my band? Only why I'm a fast so I'm a baby now.
Your Honor, I just said I might like her. Does she understand English?
But why might you like?
Your Honor.
If you talk, I'm here. Me talk back.
Your Honor,
I think this lawyer is this
Hey, let it come.
Say it in key.
Say it.
or her the client.
Yeah. Final. Madam Kunto, you have any grandchildren from him? Any grandchild?
No.
I want to put it to this court. That every mother, when he born, he prayed to God that my child will grow, give birth, then I also get my grandchildren that I play with.
Yeah.
But because Jesus Christ took Judas Iscariot away, he never give birth. So right now, this woman, he don't have any grand woman being. Thank you, Your Honor.
No, you're trying to grab. Master, no, we're trying to. Brofuninti number for Manning to almost say. Some man, I friend Jesus.
Tell the court.
I didn't make backward school on my accountant.
Okay.
Now that you won't measure me. And I over far, Colanity, we're children and I'm we are so preaching what they're preaching. One timid talk, Mamma, Dame Wono. What's happening? I want him to
Ubet me a can was some natural chip. Men dear Tim. Why?
Oh, Your Honor,
What's that?
Yes, man, inside your fleet.
Your Honor, even before we come, I beg you to calm down. Like you yourself, you collect your own. Madam Kuto, calm down, okay? What he said to the court is that the Jesus Christ here.
Counsel, we all heard what she said.
You hear?
Yeah.
You are okay?
Bye.
Okay. My colleague, you get something?
Objection, my lord.
Wait, to what? Dear Naya can't object.
Your Honor, please.
To what?
Can I go to the box and exam?
No, not yet. Let them finish.
Your Honor, it's my time.
It's not your time.
You that.
In fact,
What do you say? Come back
to
to
be
me.
biased.
Me pa church now. Give me back in this year. Me ban on so many in. You don't want to wear it.
Oh, my Mr. Van Bag, this year.
Baby,
I keep it for you.
thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Your Honor,
Yes.
it's a thief family.
It's a thief.
Family.
Okay.
The woman don't believe the daughter.
That-
Why you crom for papa?
Why you turn to tree?
You
You talk English by a cable, not a battery.
oh, me who say we a lawyer.
Who is a lawyer?
Me who say we a lawyer.
Lawyers will be able to die. I promise on my life.
So my honor,
Yeah.
she put on finger on me. It's a threat.
Great threat. And this again.
You don't use your left. You don't even use your left. And don't point. You don't have to do that. You have questions? You have questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ask your questions.
I have a small question for my account. Your Honor, there's a proverb
Yes.
in Ashanti Kingdom.
Yes.
That is why.
Say it.
Okay, thank you. I wanted to add Ashanti Festival.
Add it.
That is why we are
Add
Ashanti
it.
Festival. Your Honor, there's a proverb. And in the proverb, they say, Pentias, I say,
And
a plot of land is not laid down by just anyhow. And I want to ask my account. Did Jesus, this man, you came to my account?
My honor, it's a threat.
Oh, it's not a threat. He's only pointing.
He is putting his finger on Jesus Christ.
Your Honor, this man they wear alumi, but no threat. You see your necklace. It's alumi. You can use to shoot somebody.
Are you insulting me?
I'm not
Okay,
insulting.
all right.
In a court of-
Order.
I will meet you outside.
Order.
Your Honor, I want to ask this man, Jesus Christ. Did he come?
You
to
can't
my
ask Jesus Christ. It is.
I come.
Teresa Konto.
Your Honor, I come now.
I come.
I come.
Judas's mother is in the box.
Yeah.
Ask her, not Jesus.
Okay. But Your Honor, Jesus is there.
Oh, goodness.
Okay. So, did you go to my kind mother?
Don't ask Jesus. Ask her.
I'm sorry. I want to ask my kind. Did Jesus Christ come to you to ask for your daughter in the working?
Honestly, one. Who be who's am? Offer na no. Kesi de ya mi ni ana brofo na. Offer mi ana. Ofa na ode no kwa ye ma hu ni bia. Wa me busa me no permission.
Your Honor, you see, off will be this year just like that. And I didn't know. And I will destroy the panel life. We are say anything.
My honor, one friend say omedinachi. One chichireno. One mono. It took us a fat obi this year. Something like he take obi this year.
Your Honor, as I'm come to
Akim.
Akam.
Okay. My last question.
Yeah.
Your Honor, did you pay your daughter for the following?
Me donya me se ka preba.
Entiana
Ma
hwe.
we ma ye bita. Yesu. Why
Your
you
Honor,
fucking
were you
papa?
just like that?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Yes.
Objection, my lord.
No, it's not an objection. Now you can.
Can I go to the box?
Yes, yes.
My lord friend, please let me come.
Wanye.
My honor,
Yes.
in the first place,
Yes.
I want to
Yeah.
disperse the meaning of law.
Huh?
I want to disperse the meaning of
You
law
want to define the meaning of law.
in my own language.
Okay, we are here.
So this woman came here. The law is lie and win. So he's coming to lie and win. What is that true? Is he coming to lie and win?
Lie away,
And win
lie and win.
it means Ocha.
That's the meaning of law.
That's my understanding.
Lie and
Win.
win. LAW.
That's law. Okay. My first question, my lord.
Ask.
Baby mama, please can you tell the court which day did you get pregnant?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection overruled.
Honor, you see, we won the case.
Wait. So when there's an objection, I'm the only one who can overrule or sustain.
I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
What is your objection?
Tell Your Honor why you object. Your Honor, this man is trying to create a problem right now.
Saying.
Because how do you ask my client about the pregnant day? How can somebody know a pregnant day?
How?
My honor, objection.
Yeah.
I didn't know what unim data or the womb.
Wam kasa da or the war no. Da or the
Enti ontre. Eda say ena me nyem me ba no. Eda say ena me wo no wantimi anka. Se see I was say bisa we say which date you pregnant your daughter?
Ask.
Yes,
But
I'm waiting for the answer.
Ofani mo wu ya na ye sie no no. Ya ye ni we no busum minima na me hu se me
Which
wo ya.
date? Which date?
Your Honor, you can't shout my client. Why are you shouting on my client?
Order. This is my job. So I can do whatever I can.
Hey. Masa. You can't do whatever you can.
Sorry.
You have one last question. Let's go. One last one.
You know, you are cheating me.
Yes, I'm cheating you. One last question.
Baby daughter.
And the question must be sensible.
Your Honor, in fact, you are intimidating me.
Yes.
Can you tell the court, the honorable court, that which day did you get son?
Huh?
Which day did you birth your son? Oh no.
Ada me won. Okay.
Which day? Did you give birth to your
Your
son?
Honor, I want to put it a clause that this woman, he forget date. There are times they don't write date. They do event.
But she remember the day you born her.
Menopause catch
Okay.
the woman.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
I believe you are done. You don't know the dates.
I know.
Tell us.
Hey, we don't know. You say you know. Hey,
Na manti asema waka lawyer nti na metua waka brofo ni
hey, see, I'm saying, coach, you say, at the end of the day, also the aircraft.
enti wase say
Sign, the real call sign.
Objection, my lord.
Okay.
Objection, my lord.
Do you know the date? Do you know the date?
wase men santi my son.
Objection, my
Also
lord.
date, no?
Look at the client.
Also onim date, no?
She is disturbing the court.
Your Honor, he don't know. He don't know.
Okay, order.
Finish.
All right, so let's have the next, your colleague ask. Do you have any questions?
Yes, Your
Quickly,
Honor.
please.
Please, I'm coming. Your Honor, be careful.
Order. Counsel.
You are
Order.
He's doing bias. Why?
It's okay.
I have 70 questions and he asked me just 3.
You have 70 questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I go on?
Next week, you come and
I will
continue.
forget it.
Write it down. Next week.
My honor,
Yes.
not just say, who put you down.
Me put you down.
Yes.
My honor, the woman you not just so my akron for. My me, one papa Judas, almost say, is it the same?
Hey!
Not the same.
Yeah.
Look at the color.
Look at the
Look at the color.
And look at the bald head and look at the old one.
Lawyer come on him to say me won no we broni te say. Yes wa eni ti say tea bread be fa no kwani na mawi aso no. Ena ma akwala na hia ye tunwa wa ye say India bosum zi won.
Objection, Your Honor.
He born this man. Now he be fair like him.
Yes.
But he walked with him on the desert Galilee. The sun beat him. He turned
Yes.
blood. Then you come and talk about the head. The head, he can win out. You can't talk.
Ada me hu sa na pampa mu apa.
Okay,
In
all
fact me
Your
real
Honor,
boy
Your
papa.
Honor.
Counsel.
I think
No more.
it's a proverb. It's a proverb.
No Proverbs.
A proverb. My kind. It's a rare definition of one kasawutiri one.
Yeah, you are you born.
And this man is trying to pick on my kind's head.
Okay, thank you. Counsel, your questions.
Yeah, Your Honor.
My
before-
honor,
Oh no!
time I all cast away, sister, no, Jinahe.
Why is he why?
Or say, Yesu, and a man, Nitri home, yes, oh, Satan, no,
One can say yes, one.
Your Honor, this man is not a lawyer.
Your Honor, what?
This man is not a
Order.
lawyer.
Counsel.
Your Honor, you frustrate. You are frustrated.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning. By the time we get the middle, you get blood pressure. You.
Objection, my lord. My lord,
Yeah.
you are breaching the
Order.
you are breaching the law.
1 minute silence.
Before you came,
1 minute silence.
Counsel. Order. Me jumani pie.
Hey,
Me pie.
my lord, did you understand the order? You are ordering something from abroad to Ghana.
Order.
Your Honor, why your side chick? Why you cry?
My what?
Your side chick.
The side check.
He sit beside your side. It's your side chick.
Order in court. Order, and you are talking.
my honor, is it true? Is your side?
Hey! Your Honor, we all know that you get side chick now.
All right, counsel. I don't want any more of those.
Your Honor,
Hey!
Your Honor,
Hey! Counsel, questions.
Your Honor, there is an account.
No problem. Ask questions.
Hey, madam. Let me get close to you so that you see me very well. You say that it is likely that somebody here might like you.
Your Honor, he is trying to kiss my client. Why are you getting so close?
Yeah.
Why? Can you give me my client a space? Thank you, Your Honor.
Are you interested in a fine, dark-skinned lawyer? It's just a question.
What's a nigga we want some power? Hey, Kabi Omo brought Muda Okramante. Now would ye?
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, my client said that I should tell him something, so I tell you something.
Yes.
Your Honor, straight to the questions. You said that my client, Jesus, came to take your son away when he was just 22 years old.
Yes.
Do you know that at 22, your son was an adult and capable of making decisions for himself?
My honor, the old lady insults.
Yes. You can't insult. I've
You
told
can't
you.
insult.
And you can't papa. Me can't casaba could be enough for no more.
My honor, please.
Yes.
Just one question.
Yes.
You said you have abolished speaking tree in this court.
I didn't say that.
No, you said that. My lord. Can you play the recording for you?
Me, I said no
yes.
speaking of
You
tree.
go for speaking tree. But the vernacular. Please, why? That's why I said you are mean. Bias.
Counsel, be careful.
Madam Akunto, you said he took your son out. Did he force your son to follow him?
What said it?
Also say.
Mami nchire bumbra tree now beti aseye. Ushe mi client Jesus Kofi Yesu. Wo chichire uba no odi no ko. Wo force no odi no ko.
Na wo wonim Jesus no wote wo no. Enura wadi no. Opia na no ana me ba ne ejimi. Wa jimi si wo besin ne. Ena odi na chibusa no. Hey man.
My honor,
Yes.
we don't believe spiritual things in court.
All right. Objection sustained. Carry on.
And you also said that your son, since he started following Jesus, on fashu imbafie. Do you know that disciples no follow Jesus no? Omu nyina omu adwuma de omu ye. Omu nyina ebinum wo yiri, ebinum wo ma. Omu nyina hwe omu busua pepepepepepe.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
Tell me one disciple that he watched in family. Tell one. That's one. Who?
Simon Peter,
Which family he watched?
his family.
Which family?
He had wife
My
and
honor,
children.
Adriana.
Were you
Peter of
staying in
Adriana.
Simon Peter's house?
Yeah.
Were you staying in the house?
Were you also there when these things happened that you have brought into court?
Okay. Order. Counsel, I believe we can move on now.
Enti aduma wa sam na maka ni bebrebe. Busa ni se man fra na wo ntwa timba.
Exactly.
Ena obefa o busa ni.
He was doing illegal deforestation.
And just found. Well, Frank, I betcha.
Okay, Counsel, thank you very much. Counsel, let's make progress.
Your Honor, let us establish that the mother has said his son is a thief. Let's keep that in mind.
Your Honor, don't mind anybody.
We are done. You are not coming back.
I want back.
Mary.
Madam Kuta, let's go. It's okay.
And your mama muna ho na mdukosiaba.
Don't worry. You have.
My honor, the woman still threat.
It's African threat.
It's not African threat.
As if you say what the Kosiaba, it's a threat.
Keep quiet.
You to keep quiet.
Order.
Can't shout to me.
Okay, all right. Next witness, please.
Your Honor, I would like to call the mother of our client, Mary, the Virgin, to the stand.
All right.
Hey, Mama Mary. Hey, Mama Mary, very simple and straightforward question. This your son, you gave birth to him. You suffered. Everybody in this room knows how much you suffered. You had to carry him, sit on a donkey and travel because they were doing census. Phil, were you there? You had to go and give birth, not in a hospital or in a house, but in a manger where there was no cloth, you
In
put
a man sign, not a manger. Your Honor, what is a manger?
He means manger, right? In a manger.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right.
English, they say Procedural. English is very difficult for some people.
Counsel.
Let us carry on. You struggled. Wo bre sa bre ni nyina. Oba no nyini odu 33 pen. Then that man over there
With the highway, boy.
on his head.
I'm just saying, Your Honor.
The man is still picking on my
Yeah.
client hair.
This hair, Your Honor, you don't talk about it like that.
No.
This, somebody, you go through pay, you grow hair here, you grow hair. you grow-
I wanna wear it there, you be Apampamu na wear it there, you be
Your Honor,
Yeah.
this man is not a lawyer. I know
This
him.
guy is not a lawyer.
He's not a lawyer.
Every time he go offbeat, we start, he take the thing off.
Off. You don't know what you're doing
What
here.
you
You
are
don't
doing?
even know everything.
As I was saying, Mama, wo bre uba no bre akwan ti onu koton no ma Roman phone no ba be ku uba no 33 years pe. Eno no ema ow. Ah.
Okay.
Thank you, my thieves.
Your chiefs?
My thieves.
I'm confused, Kaka.
Hey, Your Honor, forgive
My
her.
Lord, she's
Your Honor,
honoring you people.
The era she comes from, things like this are discussed in the palace, and so he has to go through the chief. Let me
Your
bring her
Honor,
up to speed.
I want to put it to you that this woman call you a chief priest.
I say, thank you, my thieves.
Um,
I want the linguist man here to tell you
I'm
the
just
truth.
saying, Your Honor, I am not a linguist. He call we linguists. We are not linguists. We are lawyers.
Calm down. As I was saying, her era, they only spoke to chiefs
Madam,
about cases
madam.
like this.
Just simply say your honor. Okay? Your honor is fine. Don't chiefs, no linguists. Your honor.
Your honor.
Your diner, not Hannah.
Dinah.
It's your honor.
Let me talk.
She say honor.
He said Dinah.
She say honor.
He said Dinah.
Cancel.
Yeah.
Hey!
Your
Not
Honor,
from
sorry.
this.
Hey!
Your Honor,
Me pension.
Your honor, can say, hey.
there's
Can
an
I spoke?
adage that says that or treat your bebre na bobo force bebre papa.
Can I spoke?
Yes, Mama spoke. Speak.
The questioning you asking.
Please check her microphone for me.
Mama, how about Kasagu? Am I?
The question you asking. Me, Mary, I'm virgin.
Thank you.
Holy Spirit, roam, come enter. Then I born my children, Jesus. Jesus, small boy, I dey talk to him. He know the respect at all. He know they hear me. If I say sit here, he go say I go here. If I say come here, say me free walk around neighbor. You see, I want to stand here in front here and tell you, say, this woman and the children, they are super the papa, but then super. But then you see the back.
Why, what's that?
Masu Karia,
Your Honor,
Machachi,
Hey.
Karia.
Hey.
Your Honor, she's Hebrew. She's speaking Hebrew.
Julo Pape,
Your Honor,
Julo Jiame.
she speak Hebrew.
Oba bien away, chaka.
Hey.
Your Honor,
you can't stand here lying.
Hey.
Hey!
Your Honor.
Your Honor, no,
You know
Your
where
Honor.
I come from.
Your Honor,
Order.
what he talk is not anything dangerous.
Wait.
You know where I
She
come from.
say she call water and you stick to hit her. That's all.
And
But
Your
what-
Honor is a proverb.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You
You
say
know
one
how it
man
comes
must
from.
try.
Order.